In this video, let us see how to secure floss on clamps in different ways. The first two methods would be to secure floss on the jaws of the clamps, and here we will be mounting the floss only on one jaw, the jaw which faces buccally, by tying a simple knot. The length of the floss needed is already been demonstrated. A simple knot is tied. The same thing can also be done by tying a floss on the bow. This would be the second method of tying the floss. Again, this simple knot would be tied on the bow and placed buccally. The free end of the floss would be taken buccally, extraorally, and placed outside. It helps to tie the free end of the floss to the Rubberdam frame. The other two methods would show how to envelop the floss around the jaws and the bow. When we do this in the first method, as you can see, the first knot is always tied on the jaw, which is placed lingually. So we secure a knot after folding the floss. Once we secure a knot, we gently slide it closer to the bow. Yes, it is closer to the bow, and now we envelop the free end of the floss around the bow, adapting it closely to the bow so there are no free ends which could get entangled either in our instruments or anything else. You can see that it is being adapted very close to the bow, no free ends, and then it is again secured with a knot on the buckle jaw, and the free end of the floss is released extraorally. A knot is preferred. Tying the floss on the clamp is preferably done before the trial of the clamp in the patient's mouth to keep it secure. Now another method of enveloping the jaw and the bow with the floss. It's pretty much the same, except that there would not be extensive wrapping of the floss around the bow, so it saves a lot of time. And then we wrap it around the bow. Just a few turns, and then move it towards the buckle jaw and tie a knot around it. So the free end is again placed outside. You can tie it to the Rubberdam frame. So these are the four methods how we can secure the floss around the clamps before placing them on the tooth.